Welcome back, everybody, to Cooking with Transition. Okay, today we're going to make Lucky Charms trail mix. Doesn't it look like fun? Well, let's see what we need. We need some Lucky Charms. We need some dry roasted peanuts. We need some mini pretzels. We need a little bit of M&Ms. And that's about it for our ingredients. We need a couple of bowls to hold some of our food in. We need some measuring spoons so we can put our things into the bag. And we need the bag, and that's it. Let's get started. Okay, first it calls for us to put 1 cup of the Lucky Charms cereal in the bag. So remember, we need to open up the bag before we start. And we're going to get our 1 cup. Well, actually, I didn't get a 1 cup. I thought I pulled out one. I pulled out a half a cup. But if we do 2 of these, that'll equal 1 cup. So let's just go ahead and do that. So here's 1/2 cup plus 1 more 1/2 cup equals 1 cup. And there we go. Next, we're going to need a 1/2 cup of some dry roasted peanuts. So here I have my 1/2 cup. If you need help measuring things out, ask somebody to help you. We're going to pour it in the bag. Next, we need a 1/3 cup of some M&Ms. Okay. And again, pour it in the bag. Last, we need a 1/2 cup of some pretzels. It's a little easier to put your pretzels in a bowl than getting them out of the bag. So you put your 1/2 cup in there. Next, you're going to seal your bag. And now you're just going to shake your bag all up, turn it upside down, get a good mix. Again, shake it. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to put it in a bowl. Okay? Really simple, not very messy to make. And so now you're going to have some Lucky Charms trail mix. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Well, for now, see you again with Cooking with Transition.